So ayan guys, for today's video guys, fresh from Vietnam. Ayan, pinadala ni BJ guys. Thank you Boss BJ. Sa very light material, very nice. Ayan, ito ay aluminum na sprockets guys, but very strong ito guys. Ayan, sobrang light, parang plastic. So ayan, we're gonna strength test this. Salpak natin dito sa suki natin pag i-budget. Ayan, try natin mamaya kung ano yung performance. So we're gonna try the performance and the strength test nito guys. So sa mga gusto mag-order, PM nyo lang sa akin guys, or PM nyo si Boss BG guys. So ayan, mag-English lang kayo kasi Vietnamese yan. So ayan. So ayan yung ano guys, napaka-light yan. May timbangan nyo ba? So ayan. So ito guys, tinimbang ko ito, nasa 40 grams ito eh. At ito. Pero ito, nasa 100 plus grams lang to. Yan. So sige, try natin. Mamaya matik, let's do! So ayan guys, yan yung performance niya. Hindi pa nakasalpak. So yung gamit namin is stock metal muna. That is metal. So we're gonna try the aluminum, kung anong performance at ano yung strength niya. Okay. So ito, mura lang to guys, mura lang kasi libre. Boss Bernard, hindi ka binigyan ako. It's alive, alright. Ano ba? Kaya medyo may purot kamay kasi spark plug yun, baka basti na. Medyo may purot gamay kasi spark plug yun, baka basti na. So ayan guys, we're gonna try the 14. Salpak natin dyan. Let's go. Ayan, sobrang 0-0 yung pagkakagawa. Walang play talaga. See? Napaka-perfect, yes. Let's go. So papalitan na natin yung likod at saka dito. At we're gonna see the performance sa engine.
Tawag. Tumagda ako ng cellphone tayo, tawag.
Itong old guys, sobrang bigat oh. Bigat talaga siya.
Pili ko ang sprocket ko.
So ayan yung gagamitin natin sa likod guys. 38 from BJ Geon Works. So ayan. Yeah. So ayan. Let's go. Naman dito, video ka to. Guys, so ayan guys. Ginamitan natin porting tool kasi mali yung sukat na pinadala niya sa akin. It's for C100. Pero ayan, found way, it's clean, it's good. So gamit ito, porting tool. So ayan, you can see here, fits perfectly. Ayan, may clearance yan, that's good. We need that clearance, let's go. Not. So ayan, we're gonna salpak it. So to do that, it's just gonna so, babalik ta rin lang natin because we want the nut to sit here, not here, okay? So goods naman talaga lahat design, yung ano lang talaga guys. Yan. So, balik ko sa side. Sobrang bigat ng ano guys, oh. Yan, oh, mabigat. Compare dito, walang ano, lightweight talaga. Ayan. Good. Fucking good. Nice. Thank you, BG. You are a very good man. You make me gear, okay? The second and the third gear, okay? Alright. So ayos naman. Is smooth naman siya guys. Maganda, smooth. Smooth! Nice! Smooth! Okay, try na! Ayan guys, good, perfect, lahat ng ship good. So sa mga gustong bumili ng BG na sprockets guys, is you can order directly to Boss Pam. Ayan, ito, napakaganda, legit. So ito guys, itong size na to is ano lang siya, nagkamali na siya sa akin ng pinadala. It's okay, prototype pa naman ito, but the size is pwede yan. Pwede sa lahat ng motor, reader, kahit ano dyan, kahit anong motor mo, pwede. Pwede sa XRM, Wave, Krypton, Smash, Raider, lahat ng Yamaha, lahat ng Suzuki, lahat ng Kawasaki, lahat ng Honda. Pwede lahat guys. Kahit auto nyo, lagyan nyo sprocket, pwede.